Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most unique and promising farming models, peacock farming. These magnificent birds, with their dazzling plumage and majestic appearance, are not only symbols of natural beauty, but also hold significant economic value. So why do farmers raise peacocks? Let's find out. Peacocks are famous for their dazzling feathers, but their true name is peafowl. These majestic birds are native to Asia, with some now found in the Congo. Only the males are called peacocks, while females are peahens, and their chicks are known as peachicks. Over time, peacock became the go-to name for the entire species. Young peafowls start with dull feathers, but as they mature, their colors intensify. It takes nearly 3 years for a peacock's breathtaking plumage to fully develop, just in time to impress potential mates. One of the rarest and most stunning varieties is the white peacock. Unlike albinos, they are a unique genetic variation of the blue peacock. While most live in captivity, a few can still be spotted in the wilds of India, adding to their mystique. Unlike other poultry, peacocks are not commonly raised for their meat or eggs. Instead, their value lies in their stunning beauty and mesmerizing feathers. Peacock feathers are highly sought after in interior decoration, fashion, arts, and crafts. Additionally, exhibiting peacocks is an attractive business that draws in tourists and bird enthusiasts eager to admire these rare and majestic creatures. Peacocks require a spacious environment to move freely and display their vibrant feathers. Each adult peacock needs at least 100 square feet of space, with fences at least 6 to 7 feet high to prevent them from flying away. A shelter is essential to protect them from harsh weather, and inside, wooden perches should be provided for roosting at night. During winter, heated perches can be used to keep their sensitive feet warm. Roosting is a natural behavior for peacocks, helping them escape from and protect themselves against predators in the wild. Roosting perches provide a sense of security for the birds while they sleep at night. The way a male peacock attracts a mate is amazing to watch. When he sees a female, he quickly spreads out his bright, colorful tail and moves in front of her to get her attention. Then he shakes his feathers, making them shine and sparkle. If the female likes his display, she will walk toward him and copy his movements. This means she is ready to mate, and that's how they pair up in the group. A peahen usually lays between 3 to 5 eggs in a shallow nest on the ground, often hidden among tall grass or bushes for protection. The incubation period lasts between 27 to 30 days, during which the mother stays close to keep the eggs warm and safe from predators. Once the eggs hatch, the tiny peachicks are covered in soft down feathers and are highly dependent on their mother for warmth and guidance. As they grow, young peafowl begin to develop their signature plumage, though males won't have their full, vibrant tail feathers until they are around 3 to 4 years old. Under proper care, peafowl can live up to 35 years, making them a long-term commitment for farmers and bird enthusiasts alike. Peacocks are omnivorous birds that enjoy a diet of grains, insects, small snakes, fish, and frogs. On farms, they are typically fed a balanced mix of grains and protein-rich foods to maintain their energy levels and vibrant plumage. Fresh greens and earthworms are also added to their diet to enhance their overall nutrition. Farmers typically raise peacocks until they reach the age of around 2 to 3 years before selling them. At this age, the peacocks are fully grown, with beautiful and healthy plumage, ensuring they can be sold at a high price if properly cared for. Every year, during the molting season, the peacocks on the farm naturally shed their old feathers to make way for the growth of new ones. The farmer patiently collects each fallen feather, carefully ensuring that no harm is done to the birds. Peacock farming is not just a hobby, it is a highly profitable business model. With the increasing demand for peacock feathers in fashion and interior design industries, along with the mesmerizing appeal of their courtship displays, many farmers are finding sustainable economic opportunities in peacock farming. Unlike chicken, duck, or quail, peacock meat does not appear in major cuisines around the world. Some ancient records suggest that European royalty in the Middle Ages once ate peacock meat as a luxury dish. But today, this is very rare.